To print a colored text, you need Colorama module. So I'm on Windows pip install Colorama. I already installed it, so just clear this out. Then import Colorama. From Colorama, import for and back a sample text to print out, maybe like print using a string. Yeah, sorry. What am I doing? For green. Notice the cases. Hello world. If you print this, you can see we have hello world. You can also print for the back print a string. Back dot yellow prog codes. If we run this, you can see, but you can see there's an error. We printed only prog codes, but that formatting is extending. So we can solve this. Maybe if we print like another text here, Python. You can see also Python is formatted. To solve this, we just come here and Colorama dot initialize init auto reset true. So if you run this again, you see that error is gone. So only formatted per the code instruction. Python, project codes, hello world. Okay, a short tutorial. If you want to know how to use f-string, watch my tutorial on how to use f-string Python.